They ask me how I knew my true love was true. Something here inside cannot be denied.
Oh, it's cold. So this is Fuerteventura. It's a so-called windy island. If you don't windsurf, there's not much to do here. But if you don't windsurf, then it's a great place to learn. They have this nice lagoon. It's supposed to be perfect for learning, but you only have about 20 centimeters of water on most of it, and then there's only a little tiny part that's actually deep enough for anything. They don't talk about it on the website. They say high tide is 50 centimeters. And try to not hold it for too long because the waves are gonna push you off there. Try to just start sailing. Yeah, good, good. How do you like windsurfing? That's our hotel over there. Got some wind, yeah, keep holding it, you got some wind.
One eternity later.
We just finished practicing windsurfing.
Tired?
I'm so tired. It hurts. My body hurts. Arigato, sensei. Ichiban sensei.
I think Arisa's gonna like it because it's like constant earthquake. It's windsurfing. It's beautiful. It's apocalyptic landscape. Kind of like a desert, but a little more pretty.
Later.
I forgot about you. You've been out 6 hours. Last chat I had with you was in the morning.
Yeah.
Maybe you're deadly tired now.
Yeah, pretty much. Really choppy. Choppy wind.
Several days later.
Remember how I said there is not much to see in this island? Just check this out. This is like almost like a wallpaper. Meet the look. Like, how cool is that, right? Perfecto. Maybe I haven't been to the Mediterranean, which I assume this is what it looks like with water kind of cascading from light blue to dark blue, but it looks absolutely stunning. It was worth coming here from from the other end of the island. You had to drive all across. So a long trip, but what can you do? It's worth it. So that's Fuerteventura. Bye bye.